In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect social accounts in Squarespace 7.0. We'll start by getting your profiles connected, then place your social icons exactly where you want them on your site. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the site you want to update. From the main dashboard, open Settings. In the Website section, choose Social Links. This is your central place to add or connect your social profiles to your site. Here, you can add each platform by entering the full URL to your profile, or use the Connect option when it's available. If a platform asks you to authorize access, follow the prompts to sign in and confirm. Make sure you're logged into the correct brand or business account before you approve anything. Once added, you'll see your profiles listed. You can reorder them to control the display sequence and remove any you don't want to show. Keeping only your most important channels here helps keep the design clean and focused. If you ever update a username, come back and edit the link so your icons don't break. With your profiles added, you're ready to make them visible on your pages. Head back to your site editing view and open the page or section where you want social icons to appear. Click Edit to enter the page editor. In the editor, choose Add Elements to open the block library, search for social links, and add that element to your layout. When the social links element is enabled, it will automatically pull in the accounts you set up in settings. You can now move this element to the exact spot you want. Drag it within the section, place it in a sidebar, or position it in a header or footer area supported by your template. Think about where visitors naturally look for social icons, often in the header for quick access or in the footer alongside contact details. After placing the element, customize its appearance to match your design. Adjust the icon style, size, spacing, alignment, and color so it fits your brand. If there's an option to open links in a new tab, turning that on helps keep visitors on your site while they check out your profiles. On mobile, make sure the icons don't crowd other content. A smaller size or centered alignment can improve readability. When you're happy with the placement and style, save your changes and preview the page. Click through each icon to confirm it goes to the correct profile. If icons don't appear, double check that your accounts are listed in settings under social links and that the social links element is added to the page.